fresh on level. Keep getting on my level. Keep getting on my level. Stay clean on my level. Keep getting on my level. Keep getting on my level. Stay fresh on my level. Keep getting on my level. Keep getting on my level. Stay clean on my level. Oh Lord. Keep getting on my level. Keep getting on my level.
Moving through the city light. Me, I love the city life. Ass in the city right. Trying to get busy.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titilayo, and if this is your first time stopping by on my channel or seeing me in front of your screen, it is very nice to meet you. You are welcome. And if this is not your first time, a one, a two, a three, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've been on here doing my makeup. I just haven't really been feeling as creative as I wanted to. I was feeling a burst of creativity today, so I decided to come on here while I felt that way and actually put something out for you guys. Hope you all have been good. I really missed you guys, and don't worry, like I'm coming back. I felt like after a while, after taking the break that I took last year, it really took a toll on my scheduling because I had gotten used to not doing anything on my actual filming days before. So now it's kind of hard for me to get that motivation and get myself off like whatever I'm doing to actually know that, okay, you need to film something, you need to put something out. So I'm just trying to get back into it. So please bear with me, but you know, we're working. It's a journey, it's a process. We're working. It is currently the month of March and we are pleading and begging for spring to come. So today's look is going to be inspired by spring colors. And usually when people think of spring, a lot of people usually focus on the flowers and the pinks and the purples and the lilacs and all of those beautiful, beautiful colors. But today I'm going to be focusing more on the greens, on the actual leaves, because I feel like even though there are some leaves that stay all year round, there's just like a freshness, you know, there's a new breath of fresh air when all of these other plants come out of hibernation. And I know that my biology degree just came into play in this video because I literally just taught you guys biology. I just felt like playing in some greens, some, you know, yellows, just the other side of spring that I feel like isn't really portrayed a lot. I'm not going to speak too much. I'm just going to go on. Today I want to be creative. I want to try something new if possible, and I'm really coming out of my comfort zone with this one.
Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going in with is this Glamour Flash concealer from Hard Candy, and I'm just taking this and using this as a base for my eyeshadow today. And I'm going in with this green eyeshadow. It's a hot pot from Coastal Scent in the shade Prehistoric Green. So what I started off doing was first just tapping this color into the outer part of my eye, and I kept on patting this in until I built up intensity of the color that I wanted, and then I started blending it out. Going in with this dark navy blue shade from the Magic palette by Juvia's. I'm taking this blue color in the shade Ife, and I'm just putting this into my crease, and this is what I'm actually using to deepen my crease.
Always get the best of me, yeah. Always get the best of me in Toronto. Always get the best of me, yeah. Always get the best of me.
Going back in with the initial brush that I used to apply that Prehistoric Green color, I'm just blending these two together. So above all of the colors, I'm going in with this yellow shade from my Zulu palette, and I'm just tapping this on first and then going in to blend everything together, and this would act as a very nice transition shade for this look.
Falling. A few years ago, I tried to finesse God. Told him
I'm just building the intensity of the colors by going back in. Taking the same Glamour Flash concealer, I'm going to apply a bit of that on my lid and then roll my eyes so I can actually see where I need to cut my crease, and then I'm going to very carefully just carve out the area that I want to apply my lid color.
diving in your ocean barracuda. We made it to Aruba, hallelujah, amen. It could have happened any sooner.
I went in with this kind of bluish color from the Magic palette as well, and I put that just at the very end of that concealer, and it helped to build the gradient. I went in with this yellow gold shade also from the Magic palette, and I applied this all over my mobile lid. going back in with the same brush that I used to apply my crease color. I'm just going in and blending everything together. So now taking my eyeliner, I'm just going to give myself a very well defined wing. Nothing too special here. I'm using my LA Colors liner. Alright guys, so once I was done putting on my eyeliner, I went on with my foundation routine. I'm not really going to say a lot about this because I do have a video up on my channel. I'm going to be linking it on the screen. So if you wanted to check out my foundation routine, please make sure to watch that after this video.
And everybody don't say me, I know they done, I must wear designer, I must buy Ferrari, I must wear designer, I must do shop for my money. I must wear designer, I must drive Ferrari, I must do buy Bugatti, I must do shop for my mommy. Oh, you don't take a money, it's a must, oh. Everybody don't say me, I know the door, oh. You don't take a money, it's a must, oh. And everybody don't say me, I know the door, I must wear designer, I must drive Ferrari.
I took the same prehistoric green shade and applied that all over my bottom lash line. And then I went in with this glitter, which is golden yellow from Super Glitters. This was an amazing color because it does have some reflexes of green. And then I went in with my highlighter, my Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty in the shade Bam, and I applied this to the inner corners of my eye. I went in and applied mascara to kind of get rid of the glitter that was stuck on my bottom lashes. For my highlighter today, I'm also going in with another Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty in the shade Yowa. And y'all, this highlighter came with an attitude, you know, like okay. And then I'm just lining my lips using this random brown lip liner, and I'm going to be filling in my entire lip with this lip liner because I wanted something a little dark and edgy. And I just applied a gloss, obviously, you know me, over that. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm.
2020 vision, if you look into my eyes, you see a man.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. So far, I've literally been doing my makeup for over 6 hours. It's been a journey, you know, like I started off and I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I went ahead and did one eye and then I did the other eye, and I was just like, okay, it's looking a little more dramatic than what I expected, but I'm like, you know what? If it's gonna be dramatic, then let's just make it all dramatic. So I went ahead and put glitter on the bottom of my eye. This is actually my first time doing this thing where you put glitter on your lower lash line. I'm really sensitive, my eyes are really sensitive and I tear up a lot, so I've never actually wanted to do this before because putting regular eyeshadows there irritates my eye, let alone glitter. But I mean, it's not the most terrible thing. It was actually, I don't know, it was nice just playing in makeup and feeling creative after a long time. And I hope this look is powerful and dramatic enough to draw in spring into Halifax because we're ready. You know, we are ready. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video, God willing. Bye.
You know, take the money, it's a must, and everybody knows, say me, I know they don't.